Today I'm sharing with you the recipe for a beautiful coffee table, the simple version. So in our last video, we shared with you the recipe for a beautiful coffee table, and it was all about how to style a big coffee table like this. But it doesn't always have to be that complicated. Sometimes you want to just keep it a little bit more simple. So I have 3 tips for you. That's right, just 3. So the first tip is to not style your coffee table with the dog around. Just kidding. The first tip is to use an odd number of items. For this one, we're going to do 3 items. Maybe a box for your clickers or your reading glasses if you're my age. I always like to add a plant because it adds life and texture. And maybe a shell. Your coffee table's beautiful. It doesn't have to be so complicated. That's 1.
Using an odd number of items is as easy as 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
So before we used 3 items, this time we used 5. Decorating with an odd number of items was tip number 1. Tip number 2 for decorating and styling your coffee table, but keeping it simple, you may notice I added a plant to every single one of those vignettes. And that is because plants add life, texture, and color to your coffee table. You can almost never go wrong adding a plant. I even have this one. It's kind of fun. It's a little bird, but it's still a plant, adding life and texture to the vignette. Tip number 3, books. And if you watched our last coffee table video, then you will know books were one of the tips in that video as well. They're great for varying the heights of your objects on your coffee table, and they're also great for a little bit of interest and to show your personality. What's this one say about me? See how easy it can be? Odd number of items, books, life, a little bit of color. That's it. Styling your coffee table like a pro, the simple way. Ozzy agrees. Right, Oz? Let me just show you what you might not want to do. Looks a little cluttered, right? You don't want to just take everything you own and spread it out on the coffee table as a display. It gets a little bit too cluttered. If you want to keep it extra super simple, a tray, a box to corral all your things, and a plant. You're done. You can do this.
Even Ozzy agrees. You got this.